Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield for WyckoffSMI.com. LearnCrypto.io for this week's week in review for March 2nd, 2025. Pretty wild week in crypto in the last week or so, so we're going to dive into that a little bit more detail. But for now, we got stocks, Wyckoff wave in front of us. As you know, I've been leaning that we're making some type of top and need a pullback. We were really mostly lower last week on the SPY QQQ, and our Wyckoff wave held up here sideways, as you can see. Wyckoff wave, new index, same type of thing. Got a few strong stocks in those indices. You can see the growth index did come down to that 1850 level I've been talking about and bounce. We did get oversold, so I was warning the stocks could bottom late in the week and crypto. So we're going to talk about crypto here in a second. Same thing with SPY. You can see the technometer came down to oversold on Thursday's close. So we was warning that this is some type of sideways correction, that we could work sideways here for a few weeks and then bolt to new highs. So we did do a little bit of buying Thursday, Friday. TLT, technometer as overbought as it has been in quite a while. I do think TLT will roll over here as stocks rally, so we're going to be watching for that. Crude oil stayed a little bit weak with the news from the president, etc. Not much to add to that. XLE, I'm wanting to be a buyer, and it could have bottomed as well with stocks in general. Could be a group that leads us higher, so we will watch that. I've been warning of a pullback in gold and silver. We finally did get that. You see technometers at 43. So again, I think this is probably just a pullback till maybe you could go to new highs again, but I do not have a buy signal. Stay long if you're long longer term. I think a longer term we've turned higher, but still looking for a place to add here in the coming weeks and months. Dollar, as you know, I've been short, got small losses once again. I do think the dollar's turning lower. You can see 53.34 on the technometer, so I think the dollar needs sold. Bitcoin's had a wild few weeks here. I was calling below 88,000 for quite a while. Last week I did show a break down to 82,000. With that in mind, we did get oversold there late Wednesday, Thursday. I did give a buy at 83,100 for Bitcoin. Looking for new highs, maybe as this chart shows. But again, if you know me, I own the Wyckoff Institute, so I really follow the Wyckoff indicators to put on trades. But I will look at a little bit of Elliott wave on the cryptos to maybe give me a roadmap. But also, if you take the bearish roadmap, you can see that we did look like how we had 5 waves down into that 78,000 low. And technometers at 45. We didn't get a good solid buy down there, but I did take it. But, resistance now on the way back up here is this 86,000 to, 96,000 to 99,000. So with the news that Trump's adding it to strategic reserves, we're wanting to, we've had a big rally here today, but I think I'm going to be taking profits and looking for another good buy setup for our trading bags. Same type of thing on Ethereum, showing incredible weakness before the news today, having a nice solid bounce, but still in a solid downtrend. So I don't think these things are going to the moon here at this time. BNB, we also bought that down there at 601. And right now we're currently 618. Again, just a bounce, nothing to brag about. Technometer 47.3. So again, I'm probably going to trade these things, take some profits again. Can't go broke taking profits. So here's the SOL I've been looking at. I thought we were trying to make a low down there. We obviously did, and it's being talked about also by President Trump. Technometer 46.33. So I thought maybe we'd have some type of ABC bounce back to that 210 level, which was previous resistance. I could see that happening again, but I got an alarm here at 180. Again, I might sell a pop-up here and try to buy back cheaper. So I just think they need to be traded. Here we've got the Bitcoin miners. They also was oversold there Tuesday, Wednesday. So looking for them to bounce. We've had a nice 2-day bounce. These are going to bounce Monday into the opening for sure. Probably back there at that 215 resistance. And could find resistance again. Here is a Bitcoin ETF aggregate index that we've made up. It also was oversold there Wednesday, Thursday. So that index will open up sharply higher Monday morning. So we'll be watching that. And really, that's about all I have to add. So once again, stocks, I think maybe possibly bottomed there on Thursday. If we go sideways here to higher, then I think we're putting in a sideways correction. Could go to new highs, and I would sell that. And crypto bottomed, and definitely some strong bounces here, but I'm not sure that we're going to all-time highs as of yet. Have a great week trading.